The Meghalaya EMRI Workers Union have called off their indefinite strike on the 13th of January 2022 as the state government has agreed to pay off their minimum wages with effect from October 2021. It may also be reminded that the contract agreement with GVK Group of Companies and the EMRI service will expire in March 2022, and therefore all staff of the EMRI have demanded for the removal of all private companies to manage this particular emergency service provider in the state. Publicity Secretary of the Union, Joseph Pengrop, while informing reporters, said that the state government has written to the union on the payment of minimum wages to the staff of the EMRI from October 2021. However, Pengrop added that this move by the state government is not enough as their salary has been pending since 2017. He therefore reiterated the fact that the government of the day should not further provoke members of the EMRI Workers Union into other forms of agitation that will affect the general public as far as health services are concerned.
Kumbala yo ra jing tho hanadu bunai Oktober kat kum jing tho baki ai handai tadeng ini kren ta tulop jing sang la du nu bunai anadu snem arjar khanyo ila du ka annual increment ila du iki area anadu arjar khanyo ti ku sulung kamula pre ka krem pat kot up to that mark harga bak salary ban 100% ban ensuring ban la ban ay kata salary ke ban nadu arjar khanyo namar ka jing mention ka sti kalong bai arjar nadu Oktober jung news nam la arjar koi te ngana perkat kam sudon nong remi iru kata kam ay namar ba kita ki arjar khanyo hadu mentai ya hadu new Oktober arjar arpu namar kin ay nadu arjar arpu be te nadu Oktober arjar arpu shakmat ni kramyo te pai taru istu tempat yo lut hira tamba ngi ru ilong bosutu hi mdei ba om bangin ya banya pene than hadu kata taru ai ba kam kan tulun ta ngi e ha jing start yang government kumno bakan tulun padai kam mdei bakan om ban forcefully ban long ba force ngi bangin disrupt yang service ban poi bang sek agitation kan te kalong bit hi na kaleng government ka kon perkat bahaya kata